Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC AGON U28G2XU2 gaming monitor. So friend, AOC presents the new 28-inch gaming monitor AOC Gaming U28G2XU2, successor of current U28G2XU, and friend, it will be comes with blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate and razor sharp responsiveness of 1 millisecond GTG, and friend, it hits home with mainstream and hardcore gamers whether on PC or consoles. And friend, it features two HDMI 2.1 ports as well as two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, which means it can accept 4 different video sources in 4K resolution at high refresh rate. And friend, thanks to the inclusion of picture by picture and picture in picture modes, 2 of these sources can even be displayed stimulously. And friend, it is equipped with fast Ips panel, and the monitor offers wide 178 by 178 degree viewing angle, a wide color gamut of rich saturated color and high color accuracy. And friend, it will be comes with peak brightness of 400 nits, improve the visibility in bright ambient lighting condition, and its high brightness in HDR is also proven by its VESA DisplayHDR 400 certification. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at €689.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.